Hello, I am Henry Patalinghog, 47 years old, married to a very beautiful wife, and blessed with three beautiful children. I am from Lahug, Cebu City, and had been a member of the church for more than 38 years. I had been into several income generating activities, from selling flowers in the market to selling fruits and vegetables, buying and selling fashion accessories, including the very famous Carabao horn belts worn by our full time missionaries, and even several members of the church. I used to have a souvenir shop across Cebu Temple Complex, and all this experience taught me a lot about small business. We started a hardware store, and eventually, this hardware store had given me the opportunity to fulfill the dream I'm longing for. When I had just finished my studies, I was engaged in a construction related work, and since then, I had dreamed of having a construction business of my own someday. This dream became a reality. Our business is TITP Builders. TITP stands for This is the Place. I really like the name because it is somewhat meaningful for us as members of the church, and for me, it sounds a sense of assurance. That is why our canteen business is named TITP Food House. Our hardware store is named TITP General Merchandise, and our construction business is named TITP Builders. PITP Builders is a registered repair, maintenance, and general construction services. The ITP Builders workforce is composed of more than 50 excellent skilled workers in their respective fields possessed with positive working attitudes. Our client ranges from residential houses, schools, hotels, restaurants, and subdivision projects. Year 2020 up to 2021 was the busiest year for us. We were awarded a total of 204 units in several housing projects here in Cebu and in neighboring provinces. This includes 48 units in Bilis North Subdivision in Consolacion, Cebu, 63 units in Verona Subdivision in Balamban, Cebu, 50 units in Brisa Palms in Mactan, 19 units in Golden Ridge Subdivision in Surigao del Norte, and 24 units in Brisascape Subdivision in Mactan. This is aside from several repair and renovation projects we acquired through extensive advertising. We use social media as our means of advertising. Facebook boasting and Facebook posting has done a lot of help finding customers. And of course, the traditional hanging of tarps on all our ongoing projects also help us find clients. In construction business, there are so many rule of thumb that helps me afloat in my operation. I will mention two out of so many rule of thumb that help me. Number one is keeping good records. Good financial records determine sound business decision. And if you have a good financial record, you are assured and you could determine if the business or the project is doing well. Under promise, over deliver. Hitting target schedule is very much crucial in construction business. Delayed turnover means delay of payment, and worst, delayed turnover means penalty. Early turnover means new projects, and it creates trust from your clients. Since we are a hardware store and a construction business, the materials that we use in our projects add sales to our hardware store. And with excellent skilled workers possessing a positive work attitude whose only goal is to help the business, it oftentimes results into high quality and product and services. Work efficiency results material and labor cost and makes the project more profitable. Due to high quality product and services, An investor recently partnered with TITP to build and sell houses. Today, August 7, 2022, the first unit or the first lot that we will be building our first build and sale was purchased. And this is the start on the series of partnership for build and sale business. Also, TITP Builders is on the process of developing a subdivision project in Ubay, Bohol. And hopefully, if this materializes, if this pushes through, it will create 200 units in one subdivision. We had been in so many ups and downs in our business. We treat every failures and mistakes a learning experience. But if your intention is to help your family and those people around you, no mistakes or failure can defeat our purpose of becoming financially and spiritually independent. Thank you.